Good day, folks. This is Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we're looking at the hair sheep. They're on stockpile fescue, and these sheep are being moved about every 5 to 6 days. And it's winter time. The grass isn't growing, so we're not moving them quite as quickly. Giving them bigger paddocks. This particular paddock that they're on today is probably around 5 acres, and they'll be moved. Let's see, today's Friday. They'll probably be moved tomorrow into a new one. And we're constantly going around this whole farm. There's about 160 acres in here, and these sheep are constantly on the move. And of course, we've got the guardian dogs with them. These are some puppies that are in training, and boy, I tell you, they are really doing a great job. They haven't showed any stupid signs of, like chasing sheep or harassing the sheep. What I like about them is they're so people friendly, but yet they go back to the sheep. And these sheep have went through the winter. We've had the worst winter in, I was counting up, I think it's been 35 years as far as snow and ice and cold. And these sheep haven't had any hay. Folks, there isn't anything else that you can run on your farm that is as low maintenance, easy to keep as parasite resistant hair sheep. See, these sheep don't get any wormer. They don't get any hoof trimming. Of course, you don't have to shear them because the hair comes off of these sheep. We don't wean. There's no shots, no hay, no grain. They get salt, and that's a little bit of mineral, and that's just about it. And a guard dog. You got to give them a guard dog. And people that run sheep say, well, we don't have any coyotes. Well, if you don't have something out there with fangs guarding your sheep, it's just a matter of time. There'll be something coming there and kill those sheep. So, get one of those and make sure that he thinks he's a sheep. And you can sleep good at night because you've got an investment in these sheep out here, and you don't want something coming in there and chewing and working them over. But these are parasite-resistant St. Croix sire. There's a Katahdin blend in there because some of them got a little bit of dark color in them. But man, they're just super conditioned for. That's been wintered on stockpile fescue, which isn't, you might say, super high quality feed for sheep, but don't tell the sheep that. They've been doing very well, no hay. And we had about 17 to 20 inches of snow. It was on for 3 weeks, and those sheep dug through that snow. You can't do that with cattle. I mean, these things will give you twins too. So you can build your sheep flock a lot faster than you can your cow herd. Everybody, this is Judy signing off, and hope to see you at our grazing school in May. Everybody have a good day.